to my unique people. Hi to my unique baes. Welcome back to my channel. This is Unique Skin. I'm so glad you can join me today to watch my video. Thank you so much. Today I'll be talking about some lotion which you can use for your promixing. So many people do not know the kind of lotion to use at a particular time of their need. So I just thought of bringing these wonderful lotions and creams to you because they are naturally made and they are super effective on their own. And if you use them for your promixing, you are gonna get a very good result. So that's why I'm talking about this lotion. Please guys, please do subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell to be alerted anytime I upload a new video. Leave your comments on my comment section. Click the like button and also share my video. Please guys, stop watching my video and skipping it. Please do subscribe to my channel so that you can get wonderful reviews and videos from me. Okay, the first lotion I'll be talking about is called Purik Egyptian Lotion. Purik Egyptian Lotion. Purik Egyptian Lotion, it's a wonderful lotion. It is made with egg yolk and glutathione. Okay, the glutathione in Purik Egyptian Lotion is very high. It is a wonderful lotion. You can use it on your face and it can also be used on your body. So it's a dual kind of lotion. It can be used on the face and also on the body. It is a wonderful lotion for promixing. If you want to promix this lotion, all you need to do is add your other essential actives to this. You can also compare pair this lotion with another lotion, okay, that have another lotion that has another different active, maybe another lotion that has maybe Butane or Kojic. You can actually pair both together, which it's also good. Okay, this is a lovely lotion. Like I said, you can use it on your body and on your face. When using this lotion too, you must make sure to add good oil to this lotion because it tends to dry a little bit. It's a bit drying, just a bit drying, especially for those that have, if you have dry skin, this lotion could be just a bit drying. So be sure to complement your lotion with like good oil. You could use like almond oil, you could use like coconut oil. Okay, it's very moisturizing. Be sure to add those oils when doing your promixing. All right, the second lotion I'll be talking about is called Dr. James Milk Whitening Cream. This is actually a cream. It's not a lotion. This is a wonderful cream for promixing. If you for people that have like, if you have like let's assume you have most of your liquid, most of your active are in liquid form, and you want like a thick base, okay, like a very thick base for your actives, and you don't want a situation whereby after your promixing you have like a too liquidy kind of lotion. This is a very good cream to use as a base because it is naturally thick, okay, for your base, and it's very wonderful on the skin. This is actually made from milk, okay. It is actually made from milk, and you are gonna get the fruit acid from milk. It is very good. It is tested and trusted. This is a very wonderful cream to use as a base. Okay, Dr. James Milk Whitening Lotion. It is a wonderful base that you can use for your promixing. Another wonderful lotion that is not well known to the public that I would like to talk about for your base, it's called Rapid White. Rapid White. Rapid White. Rapid White is an exclusive whitenizer. It's a body lotion. It's a wonderful lotion. It is actually the kind of lotion that you want to use to boost up your other ingredients, because it's a very powerful base to use when you are doing promixing. Or Rapid White Whitening Tizer body lotion is a wonderful base that you can use for your promixing. Like I said, it is made with natural ingredients, and as it is written here, it says it has a whitening solution. Now, the whitening solution, I do not understand what they mean by whitening solution. I tried reaching the company to actually give me the exact ingredients on their whitening solution. They are yet to get back to me. Okay, but every other ingredient that I see on the label, it's actually good. Okay, you have allantoin, you have sunscreen actives in it, you have lanolin, cetyl alcohol, vitamin E, you have lovely. It's actually lovely, this lotion. It's lovely, except that they've not gotten back to me concerning the, whitening solution, the ingredients in their whitening solution. I just hope they get back to me. Once they get back to me, I'm sure I am going to, give you back the feedback from them. But for now, this is a lovely base that you can use for your promixing. It's a lovely base. All right, the next base that I will be talking about is called Make Me White Filled Milk. Okay, Make Me White Filled Milk. This is also another wonderful base that you can use. A lot of people do not know about this lotion. This is a lovely lotion that you can use for your base. It is also made with natural ingredients. I tried reaching the company the other time, and they told me that the active in this in their lotion is basically natural herbal actives. That's what I was told. So, that's what they told me. They did not give me specific names, because I did write back to them to be specific, but they didn't reply that. But they told me they do not have that. What they have in it is herbal actives that naturally boost the complexion up, So it's a very wonderful base to use to add to your promixing when doing your promixing. It's a lovely lotion to add to your promixing. Another wonderful lotion as a base that you can also use is called Pure Carrot Lotion. Pure Carrot Lotion, it's a wonderful base that you can use for your promixing. It's made with adhere. It's a lightening lotion. Okay, it is not a whitening lotion, it is basically a lightening lotion. So you can just pair this with another kind of another lotion that has other actives. Okay, but if you want to use only these two, you can go ahead and use only this as your base, depending on what you are looking for. This is a lovely lotion. You have a whole lot of lovely ingredients in it. You have shea butter. You have lovely ingredients in it. So this is a lovely It is a lovely lotion, like I said, made with alpha arbutin, and arbutin is a very fast whitening natural powder that you can add to your lotion or your cream. Okay, it is lovely. Like I did make a review on this lotion. If you want to know more about this lotion, you should just see my other video that I made reviews on the pure carrot lotion. Another pure carrot lotion that is good for promixing is the Kojic, the pure carrot Kojic and carrot oil based lotion. Okay, this is a wonderful lotion too. It's lovely. It's made with kojic acid. This is made with kojic acid, and it also has like a carrot base oil in this. Okay, this is another wonderful promixing base that you can use. This is actually a whitening care lotion. It is basically for whitening. All right, so another lotion that you can use for your promixing, it's another pure carrot lotion that is called the Bowel Balance. The Bowel Balance pure carrot lotion. This is also made with carrot oil. This has carrot oil base. Okay, it's a wonderful lotion. It is highly moisturizing. If you pair this lotion with the serum is a whitening serum. Okay, and this is more like a glowing whitening lotion, but the serum is more whitening than this. So these are the lotions that you can actually easily lay your hands on. Okay, you can also do a combination of them. If you want to do a combination of this lotion, you can do like the Dr. James, which has the milk in it. Okay, you can do the Dr. James, and you can also do the pure carrot that has arbutin. You can pair both of these together and you will get a very good starting base for your promixing. Now you can also pair the Rapid White with the Purik Egyptian together for your base. Okay, if you are doing like your base is 200 ml, all you got to do is take 100 ml of this and 100 ml of the Purik Egyptian lotion. Purik Egyptian lotion is a wonderful lotion. This lotion, the gold, is actually a wonderful lotion. They have other make, but this one in particular, it's very lovely. It's lovely. Another one that you can pair is, you can actually pair the Make Me White Fade Milk lotion with the pure carrot Bowel Balance. You can pair these two together, okay, to get a very good result. These two combo, pair them together and add your collagen and other actives, and you're sure to get a very good result. You can also pair this and this Dr. James together. Okay, you can pair the Dr. James and this together to get a very good base, a very good base for starting for your promixing. All right guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you can now see good lotion that you can choose from, that you can use for your promixing, and they are wonderful lotion that you can actually use for your promixing. For those that love to do the promixing by themselves, so you can choose from any of this and pair them and you will get a very good result. Thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you for tuning in. I'm so glad. Please guys, please do subscribe to my channel, and also Turn on the notification bell to be alerted anytime I upload a new video. Also click the like button, leave your comment on my comment section, share my video. Do not click my video, watch and skip. Please guys, please guys, please guys, share my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. I'm so glad. Thank you. I'll be signing out at Unique Skin. You know how we do it. Thank you guys. See you some other time. Bye bye. Thank you lovely people. Bye.